Today we're going to be unboxing the Lomi. Now the Lomi is a machine that looks a lot like a bread maker, some people might say, but it actually does something very different. It will take your food scraps, your table scraps, things that you were just gonna throw in the trash anyway, or maybe put on that compost pile and turn it into dirt much quicker than your traditional compost pile. So I'm going to be unboxing that today, and then we're going to use it for the first time, and then in 30 days, after 30 days of use, I will be releasing my review video. Let's open up these boxes from Lomi. One interesting thing to note is that the big box came, but these two little boxes came at the same time. So let's open those up first because I'm really curious to see what's inside. I kind of suspect that these two boxes might be something that comes in the regular subscription. So let's see. Oh, yep, here's everything you need to give your Lomi superpowers. Okay, so first we have the compost accelerator. And then we've got, looks like charcoal. Oh, yep, activated charcoal. Now for the big box. Okay, Lomi is home, and it's just reminding me to register for my 1-year warranty that I guess I can extend for up to 3 years. And here's the instruction manual. And I like how they've got a QR code on the front just to get started. They're making this as simple and easy as possible. So first off, we've got the cord on top, looks like a power cord. Okay, so I contacted Lomi and I called their customer service number, and their customer service number is really quick. I was put on a 4-minute wait, and I swear it was probably 2 minutes. They got on, they assessed the problem, and they were like, yep, nope, you need the proper one for the country you're living in, because it was a 220 plug and a 220 machine. So they sent this new one to me, asking me to return the other one, and I had it within 2 days. Not kidding. So really impressed with how quickly they resolved the issue. So let's see if the proper plug is in this one. Okay. All right, so this right here, last time when I looked at this, I didn't even think about it. Aha, right there we have it. See, input 120. The other one said 220. So I think we're safe, but let's look at the cord. There it is. That looks correct. Yay, it's a 110. All right, let's open the rest of this. And there is the Lomi, the 110. Looks like we've got some activated charcoal here. Aha, yep, there it is for the filters. And it's got 2 bags in there, so that'll be great. Just before we finish, another compost accelerator. So let's get rid of the box. Okay, so let's open it up. This is interesting. Put this bag in Lomi along with your food waste for the day, and it will turn into dirt. Really, it's a plastic bag. It's got all the warnings. I mean, it feels a little heavier than some, but they want me to stick this in there. All right, let's open that up. Okay, so you twist this off. Inside, you've got this bucket, and it's pretty heavy duty. So let's open that up. Okay, that just lifts right out. And it's got a little arrow here, and it matches up with an arrow down here, so you always know where to stick it. Do not fill over this line, but it's not this line because it asks you to remove the sticker before use. It's this line here, and that goes all the way around. Let's set it up and plug it in. This is the back of the Lomi, and then it's asking me to loosen these. So I'm gonna loosen them so I can remove this box. There's one. There's the other. So this actually pops right out, and that makes it much easier for adding the charcoal. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a bowl, and if you put this with the charcoal, if you use the bowl underneath to put the charcoal in, it makes it so much easier, because I learned the hard way that these little tiny pellets can go everywhere very, very quickly, and you end up picking them up and it's not fun. So we're going to cut this open and add it to both this filter that goes in the back and then this filter right here. So let's do that. Fit there, and now we're gonna put the lid on. Okay, so for putting the lid on, all you do is put this right on top, and then we're gonna use these little guys right here and put them back inside. I would love to see like a clip option where you just clip it down instead of having to spin these. Just pull this towards us. All right, and then I'm gonna pop that back in there, and this will go right there. And done. Now let's do this one. So this one, I'm gonna make sure that the arrows match up. There we go. Has the little lock and unlock. Also want to show you how much I had left over. So this is from filling up both filters with the charcoal, and I have about half a bag out of the 2 bags. And now let's load this up with all kinds of goodies. So recently I went on vacation and I didn't set my gardens on vacation mode, so everything just kept really growing and growing, and I have quite a few lettuce that are bolted, so that means they're bitter and you don't want to eat them that way. They just don't taste good. And so now this will make a great option for me adding to the Lomi along with some other things. Plus I can't wait to put those plastic bags in there. So let's do this. And, oh, I need to add some plastic bags. Let's do that. And I don't know if that's necessary, but I figure I'll cut it up and add that in. Ooh, remember that big bag? Let's cut up some of that. The big bag from Lomi. Let's get this thing started. Okay, so I've got the plastic in there. Will it really turn into dirt? I mean, I've never done anything like this before. Okay, so it has 3 modes: Grow, Eco, and Express. I'm gonna actually go with the Eco this time. So let's switch that. There we go. And, all right, let's start it. Okay, so this just beeped. It's been 3 hours and 20 minutes. Let's see if we have dirt. Oh my gosh. Not very much dirt. Okay, but let's see. Look at that. Wow. Okay, so I am impressed. I can't believe the dirt. I mean, this is just, look at that. Now, there's a lot of this because I did put a lot of plastic in there, but it's broken down quite a bit from what it was. So I would be curious as to how much more broken down it could be if I were to run it again with, say, you know, all the scraps from the kitchen and eggshells and, you know, all the table scraps. So we'll see, but this is exciting and I am looking forward to testing this over the next 30 days and then giving you my review on that. If this video has helped you in any way, I would love to hear from you. And for future reviews and videos like this one, please subscribe below. Also, if you would like to help support my channel, you can click on the link in the description below and purchase a Lomi for yourself. I really appreciate it. Until next time, I'm Essi Flynn.